Good morning everyone. It's your maths class. Before this class, in previous class I explained overlapping set. Overlapping set means at least one or more than common element. Now today our topic is disjoint set. According to the definition, set which do not have any common elements are called disjoint set. Page number 11. Example number 2. Three sets are given in the book. Set U, universal set, set X, set Y. Just check set X and Y. A, E, I, elements of set X. B, C, D, F, G, elements of set Y. Now take out the common element. No, there is no common element. In both the sets we have different elements. That's why it's disjoint set. No common element between them. It's called disjoint set. Now in universal set we have A to K alphabets. Now first we draw the Venn diagram. Rectangle box show universal set. Okay. Rectangle box show universal set. Inside the rectangle box we draw two separate circles. It's a disjoint set, so we draw two separate circles. First circle represents set X, second circle represents set Y. Okay, it's a disjoint set, that's why we draw two separate circles. Elements of set X, A, E, I. So we write in this circle, inside the circle A, E, I, elements of set X, elements of set Y, B, C, D, F, G. Except these elements which we have in set X and Y. Remaining elements we write in the rectangle box. A, B, C, D, E is here, F, G, H is not given. So we write over here H. Okay, in rectangle box we write H. Any place, H. I is given, J and K. Except elements of X and Y, remaining elements of set U. Remaining elements of set U we write in rectangle box. So remaining elements in set U we have H, J and K. Clear Venn diagram? Disjoint set with universal set. U, universal set, elements of set X, element of set Y. Now in this figure or in this Venn diagram we find X union Y, X intersection Y, X difference Y, or Y difference X. First part, second part, third part and fourth one. Okay, now we solve it. It's example number 2. First we find universal set. Okay, it's a direct answer. In your register, solve step by step. First write down, okay, first I solve full complete first part. X union Y, first copy elements of set X, X union Y, elements of set X, A, E, I, bracket close, put the union sign, then copy elements of set Y, B, C, D, F, G, bracket close. Okay, first we copy both elements, then find union. So it's the answer. This step called answer, X union Y. In union we write down all elements between them together. Okay, in set X or in set Y we have elements, so we write in alphabetical order. If we have alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I. Okay, answer of A union B. We write down all elements in alphabetical order. Second part, just we write down the direct answer. Okay, but you solve in your register step by step. X intersection Y. Okay, in intersection we just take out the common element between them. Okay, so common element, there is no common element in set X and Y, so null set. Answer, null set. It's a symbol of null set. Third part, X difference Y. Difference means cut the same element, remaining elements of first set. It means remaining elements of X would be the answer of this part. So there is no common element, so no need to cut it. Remaining elements of set X, it means all elements would be the answer of third part. A, E, I, bracket close would be the answer of third part. It's a direct answer. Number 6. Fourth part, Y difference X. Okay, it's necessary first copy elements of set Y, then copy elements of set X. Okay, so cut the same element, remaining elements of set Y, but there is no common element, that's why no need to cut it. But remaining element, it means all elements we write in the answer. Okay, B, C, D, F, G would be the answer of Y difference X. Correct answer. Done all 4 parts. Example 2, page number 11.